Welcome to Trade with Rob, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Tuesday, July 1st, 2025. Hope you're having a great day. Hope it's been a good trading day for you. Hope you're enjoying the all-time highs today. As we do get started, keep in mind everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. All right, if you like what you see, go ahead and follow along with the various social platforms we have out there. There's tons of content we put out there day in and day out. All right, so we're going to start off with the setup from last week's update, which the only one that went off was McDonald's. And we get it 1 on 3 on average is what happens. We put 3 trades out, 1 on average gets taken. Doesn't mean it's all winners, but we wind up taking about a third of the trades that we present. So this was for the 27th, which was Friday, right there. We opened up slightly higher and we pulled back. So if we go look at Friday's candle for 5 minutes, 5-minute candle, you can see that first candle, we had a big gap, pulled back and go. We can't really tell from that, so let's break it down as we would have been looking at it on Friday. And let's go find today's 30, right? Yeah, so here we go. So we gapped up, we closed higher, we gapped down, we ran all the way back down again on this 1-minute candle, and we bounced. That's everything we needed was right inside of there. That trade was taken. We got into McDonald's at 286.5. We got out at 291. That was a $324 win. Which, here we go, 10,790.64 so far for this year, calendar year. We've got 37 winners, 5 that have gone against us, no break evens, 42 trades taken in total. It's adding these 3 up. 42 taken in total, 256.92 is our per trade average for this year. So overall, not too shabby. All right, let's take a look at the S&P 500 and see how that's doing, and then we will look at our candidates for today. So again, all-time highs, Friday, today. I mean, life's been good, right? Life's been good to me so far. Great song. So we got a good move up. We're pressing our head right into the negative 272. Not surprised. If you remember what that represents, negative 272, a 236, a 764. They're all hesitation levels, every one of them. The negative 136 is a midpoint. Every line hesitates, but these are hesitation levels where stocks tend to slow down. We did it on Friday where we stretched up and we came back. Today we gapped up, ran a little bit higher, pulled back. We vacillated today. We're up about 27, 28 points right now. We still have about 20 minutes left till the market closes right now, so things can change from where we are. But we're looking at this 61.46 as the first downside target. Why? There's nothing there. Well, it's a fibit. We split this level in half, although we don't need it. But more importantly is it's that 61.47, the top of the previous fib, is right there. Right? So that's why we've got it aligned there. That's why we've got it set up. Actually, let's go change it to 61.47.43. 47.43. So we'll have it exactly where we want it to be. Right? So we'll look for that as our first downside. Then that's 60.86. On the upside, we're looking at the negative 382, which is 62.99. Call it 6,300, 63.03. There's an ABC pattern there too. So we've got extra confluence right there as far as our upside goes. Alphabetical order, Google is the very first one setting up right now. Good fib, really good fib. I don't like the downside on it at all, but I definitely like the upside. So we're going to grab our blue pen. Tomorrow, let's try it one more time. My mouse was right on that line. You couldn't see it. Tomorrow, I'd like to see a small move up, a pullback, and a bounce. If that happens, we're going to take the trade as it bounces off that 176 with our stop just down below. If resistance is at 182, my target's at 181. So we've got $4 or $5 opportunity inside of that to the upside. Downside, if you're going to try it, you got to put it at the 8 moving average, which is 173.5. We're at 176. There's just not enough room. Right? Mickey D's. We're back. Same one we just did, right? I'll take it. So what are we looking for? I like the downside better personally, but because we really are. We're a bearish neutral bias. We make a small move down, a retest, and a fail. Doesn't have to go all the way back up to the 291.62. That's support. We're going to take the trade as it fails. Stop is just on the other side. If support's at 285, we're probably looking at about 286.5. is my target, right? For the upside, pull back, bounce, take the trade on the bounce, stop below the 291.62 somewhere. Resistance is at 298. My target's right about 297. 296 and a half, somewhere over there. You'll decide exactly where your stop goes. And then last is the Qs. I love the setup on the Qs right now. This came up in Power Hour today. If you're not familiar, Power Hour is a free training that I do each and every Monday. It is pure content. It's a give back. It's a thank you for having such loyal traders that follow along with us. I love the way this is setting up for tomorrow. So here's what I'd like to see. I like the upside better. So I would love to see us pull back tomorrow. Right on that line again where you can't see it. Okay, let's try it again. So pull back towards the 548, bounce. You can take the trade off of the bounce, you stop below the support line. If resistance is at 558 and a half, my target's going to be about 557, 556 and a half, somewhere around there. My downside is very limited. I've got the 8 moving average in here, which is 542 from 548. So you got a real small amount in there to take that downside. Your risk on the upside by where you put your stop is probably not worth the downside trade. Right? And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Listen, if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to Trade with Rob. It is free. And you're all getting 3 candidates today that are, if you catch the video, you'll see there are 3 candidates in there. And on my list, I have 15. That means there are 12 candidates that you did not see today. If you're a subscriber, you'll get an email every day that says, here's the candidates that Rob put out today, if there's a video, and here are the other ones you looked at. If there's no video today, you're still going to get all of the candidates on the list that you can check them out yourself. All right, have a great rest of your day. Make it a profitable one, and I will see you all at our next update. Bye for now.